Alright, the last time I posted a cold start video of my Mercedes, a bunch of you complained that it wasn't cold enough outside. Well, as you can see, it is nighttime out, and it is cold and snowing. We've been getting pummeled with snow in Michigan. As you can see, there's still some sitting on my parked TDI in the garage. And here's the Mercedes with no snow on it because it's not going to get salt on it at all. I will never let this car experience salt again. I've not done anything to this. I don't even have the cord for the block heater. This motor is totally 100% cold. So let's see how it starts up. Put on the seatbelt so we don't have to listen to the dinger, and I'm just gonna switch that on and switch that on. Let's see here. According to this, it is about 20 degrees. Alright. Not bad. Seatbelt off. The two warning lights are for burnout light bulb because the headlamp is disconnected, and low washer fluid. There's actually ice crystals on the cluster face. I wonder what all that's from. Oh, because it got cold, the motor, okay, that was the afterglow kicking off. The glow plugs just shut off. The smoke is because the motor was colder than the humid air because it warmed up a bit today. And this is ice that had formed on the outside of the motor, which is now evaporating off. That's all working correctly. It's a good motor. The only thing we've got back here is steam. Get the trans fluid moving a bit. Car's actually moving a bit. Now, let me show you the joy of what happens with a diesel Benz when your vacuum system isn't working. Huh.